Okay, welcome to our second video. Today we're going to talk about how to access your client portal. So again, from the HockettTax.com screen, you're going to click the client portal. That's going to take you to your login page. From here, you'll simply log in with your email address and password that you set up. Once you're inside, you're going to see any to-dos. So it'll show a tax organizer must be completed, any unread documents. If you had any invoices, they would show up here as well. Once you're inside the portal and you can look around, over here is some shortcuts. So you can click here to upload a document. Simply click that, grab the document you want, and you hit upload. And then you can come over here and say notify a firm that you're all done uploading. Or if you wanted to add more, you simply click add more, grab the other documents you want, and then you would hit save. And the documents will be added to your portal for us to see. If you want to chat, you can click a new chat, enter in the subject, enter in the message you want for us, and then you'd begin chat. This will be our secure way to communicate back and forth to each other. If you wanted to make a prepayment or pay an invoice, you can click there and enter the amount you wanted to pay us. Or if you wanted to book an appointment, you simply click book appointment, and it's going to take you to my calendar, and you can simply book that appointment right here inside your portal. Here's all my contact information down below. On the left-hand side, this is your home screen. So this is where you're going to see all your to-dos, and you have your shortcuts over here. If you click on documents, this is where you're going to find the documents that we've uploaded to you. This is going to show any recent documents we've uploaded. If you click on folders, this is going to show under the client uploaded photos, documents. These are going to be your documents that you've uploaded. These are going to be where I upload documents, firm documents shared with client. When you open this up, you'll see other sub-portals underneath it, and depending on how many folders you have, there could be listed here. But anytime you see a folder, when you click underneath it, it's going to be arranged by year. So you could click on tax returns 2020, and there's going to be your 2020 1040. 2021, there's your 1040, your 1120S if you had one, whatever tax documents you may have that year. Messages and tasks. Once you click here, you can begin a new chat instead of using the shortcut on the home screen. If you had any tasks that we assigned to you, you can click on client tasks, and they would be listed here as well. On this, the active, you'll see all the chats once you've created chats and we've gone back and forth. So you can always come in here and search for archived ones as well. When you get ready to do your taxes, you'll click on the organizer. You'll click new organizer. You'll grab the tax organizer must be completed. Once you do that, you'll hit create, and it's going to create an organizer for you. Then you'll simply go through, answer the questions, and then hit save and submit at the end, and they'll be submitted to us. We don't have anything under contract currently. TAXDOME is changing some of its software, so we hope to have contracts here someday. If we created invoices for you, you can click on invoices. You can see any outstanding balances or credits that maybe you'd made. You can also see your history of payments, and any invoices that we've ever created for you would also be listed here. Under settings is where you can change your profile access. You can turn on two-factor authentication if you wanted to. And I also suggest that you download the app so you have this on your phone. That way you can take us on your mobile tours as well. So back to the home screen. Like I say, this is basically where everything is. You can upload your documents. You can chat. You can book an appointment. And if you want to see our documents, just simply click on documents, click on folders, documents from firm, and there they'll be. If you have any questions, please feel free to schedule an appointment with us. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.